third problem are completed in exercise 1.1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed. Is there any problem? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, if you had any doubt, just to send a message after completion of the class. You can send the message to your group. Okay. And next
Okay, sir.
explain that problem. Is there any problem you face? Then I will clarify that problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And also inform your friends, those who are not attend the class. Okay, join this group and come regularly to attend the class. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you are textbooks.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See that what we learned yesterday. Just I remind once again. Okay. What is the real number definition? Tell me. Real numbers.
The combined set of rational and irrational.
The combined set of rational and irrational numbers are called
Irrational.
Irrational numbers.
as real numbers. Rational numbers are real numbers.
Real number.
Real numbers.
Okay. And yesterday what we discussed? In that chapter we discussed the topic
HCF.
HCF. By using which method we need to find out HCF?
Euclid algorithm.
Euclidic
Euclid's
algorithm.
algorithm.
Euclid algorithm. By using that process we find the HCF. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in that one, what is the Euclid algorithm lemma? We had one rule. What is
A
that?
is equals to BQ plus R.
That is nothing but we call division. Okay, Euclid division also we can call that one Euclid division. Euclid algorithm and Euclid division both are same. Don't be confused. Okay, na? Okay. And
Okay, sir.
so that is nothing but A is equals to BQ plus R. A is equal
R.
to BQ plus R. And
R.
here we had one condition. What is that? Yesterday I told
0 is less than or equals to R.
0 is less than or equals to R. Less than
R is
Less than B.
less than
B.
B.
0 is less than or equals to R less than B. So
B.
this is not used in to find the HCF. For the problem we are using this condition. Okay, na? Okay. To find the HCF. Okay. To find the HCF of any two positive integers. Okay. We are finding only positive integers or also negative also.
Positive.
Only positive integers. Okay. Already I told the drawback of Euclid. What is that? We are finding HCF only for positive numbers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Now once again we need to solve one problem. So for example 35 comma 20. 35 comma 20. So what is the process we need to find the HCF of these two numbers? First what we do? What we do first?
A is equals 35.
Means by Euclid algorithm. Okay, A is equals to BQ plus R. Then A is equals to what?
35.
Okay, which is the bigger number that only we are taking or not?
Yes, sir.
And B
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to what?
20.
20.
20.
20. Now what we do? We can substitute these values in that Euclid division. Yes or no? Then
Yes, sir.
35 is equals B means 20 into
20.
Q. What we get Q?
1.
21 ja?
20.
20.
2 ja?
40. 40.
Possible?
No.
No.
We are taking only 21 ja. And 21 ja 20. If we remove 20 from 35, then what we get the remainder?
15.
15.
Yes?
15.
This is the first step. Next, second step. This is first step completed. Next, second step. A is equals to what?
20.
20.
20.
Equals to what?
15.
15. Very good.
15.
Now, substitute this AB value in the Euclid division lemma. What we get? 20 equals to 15
15 into
into 15 table.
1.
Question. 15 table.
Vanja.
Only
1.
Vanja.
15 1.
Vanja.
Then what is the remainder?
Plus 5.
5. Okay, next go for the third step. So until we get the remainder 0, we can solve this problem or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then next step is what? A is equals to what in this one?
15.
15.
B is equals to what?
5.
5.
5.
5. Then substitute these values in the Euclid algorithm. What we get? 15 is
5
equal
15
to
is
5 into
5 into
Into 2. 3. 3 plus
15. Then what we get the remainder?
0.
0.
0.
So we are getting remainder 0. So we can stop the problem here or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And we
Yes,
got
sir.
the HCF. What is the HCF of these 35 and 20? HCF
5.
is what?
5.
5.
5.
Last divisor only we are taking. Yes or no? Are understand now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now open your textbooks. Okay, listen carefully. Every 40 minutes after this link will be cut. ఓకే లిజన్ మై వర్డ్స్ 40 మినిట్స్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఈ లింక్ అనేది కట్ అయిపోయి మీకు క్లాస్ కనిపించదు కాబట్టి మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మీకు స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే ముందు ఒక లింక్ పంపించింది కదా సార్
Yes, sir.
పంపించారు
మీకు ఎప్పుడైతే లింక్ అనేది కట్ అయ్యి ఆడియో వీడియో కనిపించదో ఆటోమేటిక్గా మళ్ళీ అదే లింక్ అయితే క్లాస్ అనేది మీకు విజిబుల్ అవుతుంది ఓకేనా
Okay,
సో
sir.
దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయన్నా వచ్చిన కొద్దీ
ఎప్పుడైతే మీకు కట్ అయిపోతుందో మళ్ళీ అదే లింక్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి
Okay,
ఓకే
sir.
సార్
ఎందుకంటే మళ్ళీ 40 మినిట్స్ తర్వాత ఆటోమేటిక్గా అయిపోతాయి కాబట్టి మీరు అదే లింక్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అయిపోతారు మీరు ఓకేనా అర్థమైంది అందరికీ
ఓకే సార్
మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాస్ ఎవ్రీ క్లాస్ యూ కెన్ ఫాలో దిస్
Okay, sir.
ఓకే సార్
that will be cancelled so if you want to join then again you can click the link
ఓకే సార్
okay yesterday we are discussing about the how to find out the HCF so before going to that we have some examples in before exercise see that example 1 all of you have textbooks or not
Yes, sir.
see that
Yes, sir.
see the example 1 example 1 see that question so that every positive even integer is of the form 2 and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer are understand the question are understand or not
Yes, sir.
yes or no so are not giving any response
సార్ ఇంకోసారి చదవరా
okay so that every positive even integer is of the form 2q means every positive integer every positive even integer even means what
2, 4, 8.
which are divisible by 2 yes or no which are
Yes, sir.
divisible
Yes.
by 2 so
By 2.
every even integer in the form of 2q okay every even integer which form that one consists 2q form means q is any integer
Q.
given q is some integer lastly given means if we take the q place in the place of q 1 2 3 4 5 whatever may be then we will get the okay given that every positive is even integer in the form of 2q in place of q we are taking 1 2 3 and so on whatever may be so what we get the value 2 into 1 2 into 2 in place of q I substitute 1 and 2 2 into 3 like that we are substituting then what we get the result 2 1 ja
2.
2 2
2.
4 2 3 ja
4. 6.
are you understand now
6.
so
Yes, sir.
even positive integers or not
Yes, sir.
and next
Yeah.
ఎస్ సార్
also given that every positive odd integer is the form of 2q plus 1. Okay, if we get the odd integer, odd means which are not divisible by 2 or not. So that is in the form of 2q plus 1. That is which form? 2q
2q
plus 1.
plus 1.
Even
plus
integer in the form of 2q and odd integer in the form of 2q plus 1. Means already we are finding
1.
values. 2q means 2, 4, 6 we are getting or not.
Yes, sir.
If we add 1 means 2q value we are getting already. If we add 1 to these results, 2 plus 1 how much?
3.
And next 4 plus 1 how much?
5. 5.
And next 6 plus 1.
7. 7.
And then you can observe that these are the all odd integers or not, or positive integer or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand now? So now go for the solution. You can understand easily. So let A be any positive integer. A be any positive integer and B is equal to 2. So let A be any integer, any positive integer. Are you visible about?
Yes, sir.
Let A be any positive integer. Then we know that given that 2q and 2q plus 1, this is for even integer and this is for odd integer. This is for even integer and this is for odd integer. So we need to show that this is, 2q is in the form of even integer and 2q plus 1 is in the form of odd integer. Yes or no? So how can we show? By using Euclid algorithm. By Euclid.
Algorithm.
What we have the rule? A is equals to BQ plus 1.
R.
Is equals to BQ plus 1. And what is the condition?
Sir.
0 is less than or equals to R is less than or less than B. Yes or no? 0 is
Sir.
equals to R less than B.
Sir, I cannot see.
Not visible.
Sir, not visible.
Huh?
చిన్నగా కనబడుతుంది
ఇవి కనిపిస్తలేవా లెటర్స్?
కనిపిస్తలేవు.
కనిపిస్తున్నాయి.
కనిపిస్తుంది. నేను చెప్పేది మీరు వింటే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తున్నా అర్థమైపోతుంది. నేను చెప్పేది వినండి. ఇక్కడ నేను రాసి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ లిజన్, ఆటోమేటికల్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టూడ్. లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. ఫస్ట్ వన్, దిస్ వన్, సీ దేర్. Let A be any positive integer. Let A be any positive integer. 2q is in the form of even and 2q plus 1 it is a form of odd integer. Are you understand? That question given. Okay, in that question given na?
Yes,
next.
sir.
So we need to show this one. How can we show? By using Euclid algorithm. By using Euclid algorithm. In Euclid algorithm, what we have the rule? A is equals to BQ plus
R.
R. And R lies between these two values. That lies between 0 less than or equals to R less than B. 0 less than or equals to R less than B. Are understand now?
Yes, sir.
Are understand or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Here. Now, listen. What we are taking the value of 2? B.
2.
B value always we are taking 2. Why? Because 2q plus 1 means which is the divisor before the q. What we get, that only we are taking the B value. Okay, na? B is equals to 2. B is equals to 2. Or understand? B is equals to 2. Then R value, how can you find out? Remainder value. So already there is a condition. There one condition. What is that? R value, how can you find out? 0 less than or equals to R less than B. Means R value is equals to 0 and less than B value. What we are getting the B value here? 2. So means R is equals to, reminders are 0, 1, 2 we are taking or not?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Huh?
No.
No, why? Because R is less than B. R is less than B means
Less than
R
B.
value always less than B. అంటే B కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది వాల్యూ. కాబట్టి B is what here? 2. And R value is always equals to 0 or greater than 0. ఎట్లా R అనేది 0 కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది అంటే 0కి ఈక్వల్ ఉంటుంది. అలాగే వాట్ వీఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ B వాల్యూ సో దానికన్నా తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి? వాట్ వీఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ B సో బిఫోర్ దట్ వాల్యూస్ వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ హియర్ means B value here 2. B value here 2. So then R is equals to what? 0, 1 only. We are not taking 2. Why? Because that is R value always less than the B. Are you understand now?
Yes.
Are you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Now we get the B value and R values. We get the B value and R value. Now we can substitute these two values in that condition. Okay, Euclid algorithm condition మనం అవి substitute చేద్దాం. So what we get? What we have the rule A is equals to BQ plus R. Equals to BQ plus R. We know that B value how much? 2. But we get the R values 2. What are those? 0 and 1. So each and every time we need to take only 1. First I am taking the R value is 0. R value 0. Then what we get? A is equals to B is equals to 2Q plus R value is 0. Are you understand now?
Yes, sir.
A is equals to what we get? 2Q. A is equal to 2Q we are getting or not?
Yes, sir.
A is equals to 2Q.
2Q.
Understand? Next go for the
Yes.
next one. B is equals to 2. Now R value what we are taking? 1. Then apply substitute this value in the Euclid algorithm. What we get? A is equals to
2Q plus 1. 2Q plus 1.
Okay. So what is given in the problem we are getting or not? So every even integer, even positive integer is in the form of 2Q or not? 2Q.
Yes, sir.
And every odd integer is in the form of 2Q plus 1 or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, once you see that solution in the textbook, see that. Let A be any positive integer. Already we are taken. A is any positive integer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understand my words?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
A is any positive integer. Solution you can see that. And B value always 2. B value 2 here. Why? Because you are given the 2Q plus 1 like that. So we need to take B value always 2 only here in this situation, in this problem. Okay, na? Then by division algorithm, already I told na, division algorithm or Euclid algorithm both are same. Don't be confused. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Then by division algorithm, what we had a condition? A is equals to 2Q plus R. A is equals to 2Q plus R or not?
Yes,
sir.
Then and you are given that Q is greater than or equals to 0. Q always given the greater than or equals to 0. Means every that is given lastly. See that Q is some integer. Q is some integer. Integer means positive integer or not? Positive integer means always greater than 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? And R values what we get? What we got the B value less than B only we are getting the R values or not? Here we get the B value is 2. Then the R values are 0 and 1.
And 1.
One.
Are you understand now?
Yes, sir.
They're given the conditions.
Yes, sir.
0 is less than or equals to R less than 2. This condition we are following. 0 is less than or equals to R less than B. That is the Euclid condition or not? So, okay, while simplification, okay, while solving the problem, we get the A is equals to 2Q1 one time. Yes or no? And next A is equals to 2Q plus 1. Yes or no?
1.
Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you understood or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood.
Okay. Okay. They're given one more thing sentences. See there. If A is in the form of 2Q, listen carefully. A is of the form 2Q, then A is even integer. ఇక్కడ మనం చెప్పిన ఇంత ముందు A అనేది 2Q ఫామ్ లో ఉందనుకోండి అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఈవెన్ ఇంటీజర్ అవుతుంది Adavainda? Just before we solve the problem, in place of q we are taking 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. We get the even numbers or not?
ఇప్పుడు ఈవినింగ్ తన బ్రేక్ వస్తాయి కదా ఇప్పుడు బుక్
Okay, and a positive integer can be either even or odd. Therefore, any positive odd integer in the form of 2q plus 1. ఒకవేళ ఈవెన్ ఇంటీజర్ అయింది అనుకోండి అది ఏ ఫామ్ లో ఉంటుంది 2q ఫామ్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఒకవేళ ఆడ్ ఇంటీజర్ అయింది అనుకోండి అది ఏ ఫామ్ లో ఉంటుంది 2q plus 1 లో ఉంటుంది.
2q plus 1.
పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ లో ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి, సేమ్ టైం ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయా ఉన్నాయా? ఓకే, ఒకవేళ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి అది ఏ ఫామ్ లో ఉంటుంది 2q ఫామ్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఆడ్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ ఉంటే 2q plus 1. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's go for the example 2. See there. Example 2. See there. Okay, show that every positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 where q is some integer. Where q is some integer. Show that every positive odd integer. Every positive odd integer.
Odd integer.
Odd integer ni మనం ఏ ఫామ్ లో ఇప్పియాలి? Is in the form of 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3.
4q plus 3.
So how can we solve that? Same. Let a be any positive integer. Positive odd integer.
Odd integer.
Okay. A be any positive odd integer. Yes or no? Given only, I written. Given that, so we can assume a be any positive odd integer. So given that by Euclid
Algorithm.
What is the rule? A is equals to bq plus r. And the condition is what? 0 is less than or equals to r less than b. Are visible the board or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, what is given condition? We need to show that every odd positive integer of the form, which form? 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. So we need to show or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, here what is the value of b?
4.
4. Why? Because given that 4. Okay. Are understand or not?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
okay. Now b is equals to 4. Then r value, how can you find out? By using condition. So 0 is less than or equals to r less than b value is how much? 4. Are understand or not? Means
Yes, sir.
r value, therefore the remainders are r is equals to what we get? 0,
0, 1, 2, 3.
3.
3.
4 we are taking? 4 we are not.
No.
Why? Because that is r value less than 4 means up to 3 only we are taking. 4 not counting. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Now
Okay, sir.
we know that the b value and r value, these two values we need to substitute this rule. We get the 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. How can we find out? See here. First b is equals to 4 and r is equals to 0 I am taking. First step. R value, R values 4 we are getting 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 different values we had. Na? So each and every step we need to substitute the R value 0 one time, 1 one time, 2 one time and 3 one time. Okay, na? Are listen or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First step, b is equals to 4 and r is equals to 0. We can substitute this value in this rule. What we get? Euclid algorithm. A is equals
A is equals to
tell me.
4q
4q
plus 0.
plus 0. Very good. A is equals to 4q plus 0. Why? Because here B value 4 and R value 0. Okay, na? Then what we get? A is
Yes.
equals to 4q. A is equals
4Q.
to 4q. Okay?
4Q.
Next, second step, B is equals to 4. B value did not change. Okay, na? B value always same.
Okay, sir.
And next R value what now?
1.
R value 1. R is equals to 1. Then substitute these values in this Euclid algorithm. What we get? A is equals to,
A is equals
tell me,
4Q plus 1.
4q plus 1. Okay, na? Next, go for the third step. B is equals to 4 and R is equals to what?
2.
2.
Then what we get? Euclid in the algorithm?
4q plus 2.
4q plus
2.
2.
4q plus 2.
2.
And next,
2.
B is equals to 4 and R is equals to 3.
3.
Then what we get? A is equals to
A is equals to
3Q
4Q plus
4q plus 3. So, see the question once. Okay, every positive odd integer A is in the form of 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. We are getting or not? So, in first step, we get the value A is equals to 4q. 4q is nothing but this is the even integer or odd integer.
Even.
Why? Because in place of q, we are taking the value 0 to infinity. Whatever may be the values, always we are getting the product is the even number or not. 4 1
Yes, sir.
4 0
Yes, sir.
4 2 8, 4 3 12, 4 4 16. These are even numbers or not?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir.
what we are taking? Why? Because we are given only positive odd integers we need to show. Or understand? పాజిటివ్ ఆడ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ మనం చూపిమన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఇది ఈవెన్ ఇంటీజర్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఇది కాదు. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ స్టెప్ వాట్ వి ఆర్ గెటింగ్ 4q plus 1. 4q plus 1 అంటే 4 టేబుల్ వచ్చేటి అన్ని మనకి ఏమవుతుంది ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ కదా. జస్ట్ వి అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ 4 టేబుల్ ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ q we are taking 0 to infinite any value. So for example 4 table you can observe 4 0 0 4 1 4 4 2 8 like that. We are getting here 4 1 4 4 plus 1 how much?
5.
Next 8 8 plus 1
9.
4 3 are 12 12 plus 1
13.
13. So we are getting all our odd numbers or not?
Yes, sir.
So we are showing this one is the every positive odd integer A value is in the form of 4q plus 1 or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one clear?
Yes,
And next go for the third step. Next go for the third step. Here A is equals to 4q plus 2. A is equals to 4q plus
4q plus
4Q
2.
plus 2.
Okay. Then 4 table again you can start. 4 1 ja 4. 4 plus 2 how much?
6.
Next 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 2?
10.
10. 4 3 ja 12. 12 plus 2?
14.
14. So always we are getting the even numbers or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, but in this question given only odd numbers. So this is we are not taking. Understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Next final fourth step you can observe. What we are getting the A value? A is equal to 4q plus
4q plus 3.
same. In place of q you can substitute 0 1 to like that. For example 4 table. 4 1 ja 4. Q 1 ja 1. Then 4 1 ja 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 how much?
7.
7. And next 4 2 ja
8.
8 plus 3
11.
11. Like that only if we count that q value any value you can take we are getting the odd number or not?
Yes, sir.
So, this is also in the given question we are showing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, every positive odd integer that is in the form of 4q plus 1 and always 4q plus 3 next to 4q plus 5 like that we are getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you understand now?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Understood.
So don't be confused. In the textbook solution is given differently. Why? Because here 4q they are taking the 2 into 2q. 2 into 2q means 2 multiples always even numbers or not?
Yes, sir.
2 multiples
Yes,
always
sir.
even numbers. Okay, don't be confused. Next, here also given that 4 cube plus 1, same given. There is no change at all. Next, 4 cube plus 2, observe you can. 4 cube plus what we are taking? Here, 2 is the common they are taking. If we take 2 as the common, what we get? 2 cube plus 1 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, here also we can consider that 2 multiples always even numbers or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
All of you understood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that's why remaining two what? For a is equal 4 cube plus 1 and a is equal to 4 cube plus 3. These two only the any add positive integers a value we can in the this is in the form of 4 cube plus 1 and 4 cube plus 3. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, coming to exercise 1.1. Open that exercise 1.1. Okay, yesterday first bit completed. I hope you all are doing well.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
All of you got the same answer or different answers? Check your answers backside also already given answers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There you can check, but don't write as it is. Just you can solve the problem. Then after only you can check that is right or wrong. Okay,
Okay,
na?
sir. Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
If there are any doubts, you can mention, send that message to your group. I will clarify the next class. That problems. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Next. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In that exercise, second problem you can see that. Second one. Okay. Srujan, read the question.
Sir, textbook not there, sir.
Textbook. Without textbook, how can we listen the class?
Sir,
Or understand the class?
రేపిస్తాన్నారు కాకయ్య.
Huh?
Sir, రేపిస్తాన్నారు కాకయ్య.
Okay. Yesterday only I informed. Na? All of you must should have the textbooks. Otherwise, you can't understand like that. Srujan.
Sir,
Okay.
sir.
Do you want textbook after completion of the class? You can collect and follow this what I am telling. Okay, na?
Okay.
Next, Ella Sanjana, are you attending the class or not?
Correct, sir.
Read the question.
Use division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer.
So that problem is like this one or not? Example problems only we can observe. Okay, now we go for the exercise problem. See that. Use division algorithm. What is the division algorithm? Nothing but a is equals to b q plus r. This is only division algorithm. That only we are using.